Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer eTrade to another brokerage. Now, for example, let's say you're transferring it to Interactive Brokers. What you do is you go to Transfer and Pay, right? And then you click on Transfer Positions. And then on your other brokerage, go ahead and click on Incoming, because the funds, they're coming to, your brokerage from eTrade. So click Incoming. Choose a transfer method, just select your region. So in this case, let's say United States. Scroll down and you choose the option. Now, I suggest you choose ACATS. So basically, once you select this, what will happen, you will be logging in with your IBKR login to initiate a transfer request. Okay? They'll send the electronic request to your US broker or bank, basically to eTrade, and then they'll go ahead and finalize it for you. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.